This ride along Bird Street in Sun Prairie starts at Egray Road at the northern edge of Sun Prairie. What Sun Prairie have done with Bird Street is pretty rare in the United States. They've added an off-street bike path to the full length of this street from the city's northern border to its southern border. We're not out in the wilderness here, but as you can see, this area isn't exactly built out yet either. This means there's going to be a safe bike connection here when people move in. Say hi to the pair of cranes in this pond. Quam Road has a path of its own off to the left. I won't call out every cross street on this route. Stonehaven Drive, the path crosses to the west side of the road and stays there. The path I showed in my last video is coming up on the right. Street is one of the few available crossings of 151, and they've made effective use of the existing bridge. Reaching the intersection with Highway 19, I stopped for lunch at Los Perez. I recommend you do the same. Across the enormous slip lane, you can see a path along 19 heading west. It goes on for 3 miles as far as Heatherstone Drive. The Bird Street route starts to feel more like a widened sidewalk, because that's pretty much what it is. Major intersection at Main Street. Main Street itself lacks this level of bike connectivity. To get to the downtown square, you could take the next left on Commercial Avenue. Lindenwood Drive is also a good bike connection east into downtown or west to the library. The path ends at Sheehan Park, where you can connect to a route heading southwest into Madison. South of here, Bird Street enters the town of Sun Prairie with speeds up to 45 and a narrow shoulder.